Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to remove a user from Podio? Maybe they're no longer working with your team, or maybe they violated your company's policies. So you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a user from Podio in just a few simple steps. I'll also cover some important things to keep in mind before you remove a user. What is Podio? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Podio is. Podio is a project management and collaboration software that's used by teams and organizations of all sizes. It provides a variety of features, including task management, file sharing, and communication tools. Why would you want to remove a user from Podio? There are a number of reasons why you might want to remove a user from Podio. Here are a few of the most common. The user is no longer working with your team. The user has violated your company's policies. The user is no longer using Podio. You want to free up a user license. How to remove a user from Podio. Now that we know why you might want to remove a user from Podio, let's take a look at how to do it. Step 1. Log in to your Podio account. The first step is to log in to your Podio account. You can do this by going to the Podio website and clicking on the Login button. Step 2. Go to the People tab. Once you're logged in, click on the People tab. This will take you to a page where you can manage your users. Step 3. Click on the Users tab. On the People tab, click on the Users tab. This will show you a list of all of your users. Step 4. Find the user you want to remove. Scroll through the list of users until you find the one you want to remove. Step 5. Click on the Remove button. Once you've found the user you want to remove, click on the Remove button. Step 6. Confirm the removal. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click on the Remove button again to confirm the removal. That's it. The user is now removed from Podio. Important things to keep in mind before you remove a user from Podio. Before you remove a user from Podio, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Make sure you have the right permissions. Only administrators can remove users from Podio. Be sure to back up any important data before you remove a user. Consider the impact on other users. If the user you're removing has access to shared workspaces or projects, you'll need to make sure that other users can still access that data. Removing a user from Podio is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. However, it's important to keep in mind a few things before you do it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're looking for more tips on how to use Podio, be sure to check out my other videos. I have a lot of content on Podio, including how to create workspaces, manage tasks, and collaborate with your team. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips. I'll see you next time.